When it comes to choosing a hosting provider, uptime is one of the most critical factors. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular options, InMotion Hosting and Liquid Web, to find out which one truly offers better uptime. If you're looking for reliability, you'll want to stay tuned until the end to get all the facts and discover a better option for your hosting needs. Let's start with InMotion Hosting. This provider has a solid reputation, offering shared hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers. Their uptime claim sits at 99.9%, which is considered industry standard. But when it comes to actual performance, InMotion's uptime doesn't always live up to expectations. While they do offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, there are reports of slower response times and occasional outages. Their customer service is known to be helpful, but can be slow during high-traffic periods. If uptime is your primary concern, these occasional dips can be a deal-breaker for high-traffic websites. Next thing, let's talk about Liquid Web. This hosting provider is known for its premium, high-performance services and their uptime guarantee of 100%. However, while their claim is impressive, it's important to dive deeper. In practice, Liquid Web does indeed perform quite well, with their uptime consistently hovering around 99.99%. That's an impressive number, but it's worth noting that at a higher price point, you're paying for the extra reliability. Some users have reported occasional issues with their service during peak times, but this is rare compared to more budget-friendly options. Liquid Web shines when it comes to advanced hosting needs, but for smaller websites or tighter budgets, the cost might not justify the minimal uptime improvement. The fourth thing to consider is the support experience. Both InMotion Hosting and Liquid Web offer robust customer support systems. InMotion Hosting support is decent, but can take time to resolve more complex issues. Liquid Web, on the other hand, offers 24/7 support with a more hands-on approach, often getting to the root of issues faster. However, this comes at a higher cost, so it's a trade-off between uptime reliability and customer service speed. Next, you should know that both InMotion and Liquid Web have multiple data center locations, which helps with site performance and uptime. InMotion has centers in both the US and Europe, giving a bit more flexibility for international customers. Liquid Web's data centers are strategically located in North America and Europe, but they cater more to premium customers, so their infrastructure is optimized for high-traffic and enterprise-level websites. And lastly, if you're looking at a long-term hosting solution, both companies can serve you well. InMotion's pricing is more budget-friendly, but the uptime can be less predictable. Liquid Web, on the other hand, gives you more peace of mind with their superior uptime, but at a higher cost. Now, both InMotion Hosting and Liquid Web are solid choices depending on your needs, but after trying both myself, I've found there's another option that provides more reliable uptime and offers better overall value for many users. If you're looking for the best uptime and a solution that balances performance with cost, you should check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, after testing all of these options, you'll want to take advantage of this offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.